Planning your dream retirement isn't something that should be left to chance, but most people don't know where to even start. I'm going to walk you through exactly how we plan our dream retirement, step by step. And here's the kicker. I'm not incentivized by affiliate commissions like other videos you've seen, so everything I share is pure value. No hidden motives. We start by acknowledging that dreaming big is the easy part, but it's the concrete steps that make the dream a reality. So, first things first, you need to define what your dream retirement actually looks like. It's not just about being financially comfortable, it's about the lifestyle you want. Do you want to travel, start a new hobby, or maybe launch a small business? Once you've got a clear vision, the next step is to make it financially feasible, which brings us to the numbers. The second crucial step? Creating a roadmap based on your current savings, future income, and expected expenses. I can't stress enough how important it is to have a precise figure in mind for the lifestyle you want. We're talking about sitting down and mapping out everything from how much you'll need monthly to live comfortably, to factoring in inflation, healthcare, and any unexpected costs that might pop up. This part may seem daunting, but it's absolutely necessary if you want to avoid running out of funds before your golden years. Now here's where a lot of people fall short. Once you've got a number in mind, you need a clear investment strategy. A lot of folks think their 401k is all they need, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Depending on your risk tolerance and time horizon, diversifying is key. For us, we looked into diversifying our savings into multiple streams: stocks, bonds, and for those looking to preserve wealth, gold IRAs have been a big factor. You might be thinking, gold IRAs? Isn't that a hassle? Well, they're actually one of the best ways to protect your savings from inflation and economic downturns. I'll get more into that in just a minute. But this diversification strategy is what allows us to sleep at night, knowing that our retirement is well protected. A lot of people wait too long to factor in healthcare costs, but that's another huge piece of the puzzle. Medical expenses in retirement can skyrocket, so planning for these ahead of time will save you from panic down the road. Whether it's through insurance, a health savings account, HSA, or saving extra funds specifically for healthcare, make sure you don't overlook this. I mentioned earlier that most videos on this topic have affiliate links that push you to specific products, but I don't do that here. I'm simply giving you real, actionable steps to build your future without any ulterior motives. That's because I've seen firsthand how many retirement plans fall apart, simply because people don't have the proper resources and information. So, what's next? The last crucial piece is adjusting your strategy as life unfolds. You've got your plan in place, but things change. You might be able to save more, or you might need to pull back. You have to keep track of your progress and make adjustments along the way. The key is consistency. Regular check-ins will help you stay on track, whether it's yearly or quarterly. If you've made it this far, you now know the secret to planning your dream retirement step by step. But here's something really important to consider. You have to start today. The sooner you take control of your retirement, the better positioned you'll be when that time comes. And one last thing before you go. If you found value in this video, be sure to subscribe. There are no hidden affiliate links or commissions here, just pure, honest content to help you secure your future. Stay tuned for more.